Picture this. A few years ago, we were locked in a limited VR experience with the original PlayStation VR, struggling to immerse ourselves in its low-res world. But now, with the PSVR 2, the game has changed forever. Sony has crafted a seamless integration with the powerful PS5, bringing you a 4K picture that adapts to your every move. Finally, touch is no longer just an afterthought. But wait, will the new lineup of games live up to this groundbreaking tech? Well, hold on tight as we unlock the secrets of PSVR 2, the VR headset that's raising the bar. Say goodbye to retrofitting and hello to the future, as this state-of-the-art headset plugs directly into your PS5 with a single USB-C cord. With built-in cameras mapping your every move, you'll roam free in an awe-inspiring 4K world. And the controllers? Oh, they're a dream. Equipped with fine haptic motors and motorized resistive triggers, they're a game-changer. But here's the catch. PSVR 2 games only, folks. No previous titles or PC compatibility here. Sony's taking us on a fresh adventure in their new VR ecosystem. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. The games. The PSVR 2 promises a diverse lineup of thrilling adventures that will transport you to the worlds you've only dreamed of. Blast your way through Star Wars smugglers and Tales from the Galaxy's Edge, create automatons and unravel mysteries in The Last Clockwinder, or guide a swashbuckling mouse through miniature diorama-like scenes in Moss. The possibilities seem endless, and there's something for every type of gamer out there. However, we can't overlook a crucial detail. Not a single one of these games is entirely new or exclusive to Sony's headset. That might leave some wondering if the PSVR 2 truly justifies its $549 price tag. Many of the titles are ports from other VR headsets, and some of them are even original PSVR games that come with a small upgrade cost. Yet, even with this revelation, we believe the PlayStation VR 2 might just be the ultimate place to experience these captivating titles. Prepare to be blown away by the PSVR 2's display, a feast for the eyes that promises to immerse you completely. The 120Hz OLED pixels provide a crisp, vibrant, and colorful panorama, unlike anything you've seen before. Whether you're gazing upon breathtaking landscapes or engaging in intense battles, the PSVR 2 delivers visuals that will leave you awestruck. But the visual experience isn't without its trade-offs. To avoid God rays, Sony decided to use Fresnel lenses, and the outcome is impressive. Significantly reduced lens flares compared to previous VR headsets. However, finding that perfect sweet spot for optimal clarity can be a bit of a challenge. Unlike the original PSVR, the sweet spot here is smaller, meaning you might find yourself adjusting the headset to maintain that crystal clear view. That being said, the 110-degree field of view provides ample room to explore and enjoy the virtual realm without feeling confined. The PSVR 2 sets the stage for breathtaking adventures, with visuals that will transport you to new worlds beyond imagination. Comfort and ease of use are paramount when it comes to extended VR sessions, and the PSVR 2 delivers on both ends. From the moment you unbox the headset, simplicity becomes your ally. There's no need to create a new account or install setup software. Just plug the one USB-C cable into the front of your PS5, power up the headset and controllers, and you're ready to dive into the virtual world. The design of the PSVR 2 emphasizes user-friendliness. The comfy padded halo, coupled with the silicone eye box that keeps extraneous light out, ensures a comfortable and immersive experience. For those wearing glasses, fear not. This VR headset is among the most glasses-friendly on the market. Additionally, the PSVR 2's interpupillary distance (IPD) dial allows for easy adjustment, catering to a broader range of users. It's refreshing to see that Sony has taken user comfort seriously, as a well-designed and comfortable headset is essential for truly immersive and enjoyable virtual reality adventures. Whether you're a seasoned VR veteran or a first-time explorer, the PSVR 2 promises a seamless and comfortable experience that will keep you coming back for more. Immerse yourself in the captivating audio world of PSVR 2, where soundscapes come alive and enhance your virtual reality adventures. Sony offers two options for audio. You can either plug in wired headphones into the headset's 3.5mm jack, or use a wireless headset with a USB dongle plugged into your PS5. The latter option offers more freedom of movement. But don't worry if you prefer wired earbuds, as the PSVR 2 includes a special set of earbuds in the box. The earbuds, specially designed to dangle beneath the headband, provide quality sound without disturbing those around you. For many users, these earbuds are comfortable and offer an enhanced audio experience. However, personal preference matters, and if you prefer your own set of earbuds, they fit perfectly into the built-in earbud grabbers on the back of the display. For glasses wearers or anyone looking for premium sound quality, using over-the-ear headphones like the Bose QC35 is a fantastic option. The PS5 unfortunately doesn't support Bluetooth headsets, so wired options are the way to go. Rest assured, the PSVR 2 offers an incredible audio experience, ensuring that every game, movie, or virtual adventure is accompanied by immersive and captivating soundscapes. Every explorer of virtual realms knows the delicate dance with chords, and the PSVR 2 is no exception. With a 14.7-foot or 4.5-meter cable, you'll have ample freedom of movement, making it easy to roam and explore your virtual environment. However, with great freedom comes great responsibility. While it's challenging not to get entangled in the cord during gameplay, the bigger challenge lies in the lack of a quick detach feature. Be cautious about accidentally yanking your console off its stand or bending the USB-C connector. Unfortunately, replacing the integrated USB-C cable isn't an option, and it's permanently attached to the headband. However, Sony did opt for a modular headband design, hinting at the possibility of a future replacement headband with additional features. While the cord management might present occasional challenges, the sheer freedom of movement and the immersive experience of the PSVR 2 make it a minor trade-off for many users. Just do be mindful of your surroundings and console placement to avoid any unplanned adventures outside of the virtual realm. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, the epic tale of PSVR 2, a VR headset that's changing the game. But the journey doesn't end here. Dive into the wonders of this cutting-edge tech and explore the captivating games that await you. Stay tuned for more exciting virtual visionary content by subscribing to NXT Gen. Until next time, happy virtual reality gaming. Thank you for joining us today on Virtual Visionary. Remember to hit that like button and share this thrilling adventure with your fellow gamers. And as always, keep dreaming big and gaming even bigger. See you in the next virtual realm.